Rhinestahl was established in 1967 by Heinz Dieter Moeller and started in basically a two-man garage shop and really grew the business. In 2009 is really the inflection point. The current CEO, Dieter Moeller, acquired GE's aviation tooling division, and that really put us in a trajectory to become a global, worldwide organization serving the aerospace community for their custom tooling solutions. In 2010, we launched AMG, and the focus was to be more of a complex manufacturing group serving high requirement entry and high regulations type of industries. So that serves the aerospace, defense, commercial, and transportation markets.
Here at Rhinestahl, we do multiple different types of parts, so from impellers to blisks to housings.
Rhinestahl AMG really prides itself on the customer experience. Customers such as DRS, Lockheed Martin, BAE Systems. Our whole calling card is providing a service that meets their expectations of completing parts on time.
The parts here are complicated, rather large, very high tolerances, and several small features, which makes things more complex.
One of the biggest challenges for us is the customers are asking for tighter lead times.
So it's very important for our machines to run efficiently, keep the spindle turning. Any downtime that we have is going to impact our customer schedules. Sometimes we have jobs that we may not have capacity at certain work centers for, and it's very important for us to make sure that we can run those at other machines.
With Siemens software, I'm able to program any machine we have on the shop floor. I am able to take a part that's been programmed for one machine and at the last minute turn around and post it out and change it to another machine due to capacity issues or other restraints in the shop.
Before Siemens NX came into play, there was a lot of issues between the CAD side and CAM side, and going into a single integrated software that provide a better solution than having the configuration issues between 3 or 4 different softwares.
The advantage to having one integrated system is the engineering data is flowed downstream from design or engineering onto the CAM team and then onto the floor in one package.
The big advantage that we have with Siemens NX is having that digital twin. What we're programming is exactly what we're going to see in manufacturing. So having the part model, having the tooling digitized, having the fixtures all in one platform that we can see what we're going to really see out on the floor is a huge advantage for us.
NXCAM makes me a faster programmer. It is more intuitive. You got way more options. It gives you a better tool path, better quality part versus other CAM packages out there.
My favorite feature is the adaptive milling. I constantly use it. We were able to reduce the cycle time from almost 16 hours to just above 3. It was because we were able to take so much cut depth at one time, and with the even tool wear, we weren't changing out tooling as often. So we were able to maximize the tool life while also maximizing our feed rates and depths of cut. It saves us so much time, so much money.
The simulation helps me catch any errors in the programming process. The benefit of using the G-code to validate our process is that is what the machine actually runs. And to be able to actually run that through our simulation and see exactly what the machine's going to do is very useful.
We help Rhinestahl's efficiency by developing host processors and machine simulation kits for their programming team. The machine toolkits are a digital twin that take a virtual environment based on the real environment, so they can effectively post-process their programs with no edits, and then they can run them through the simulation, make sure everything is right on the virtual world before taking it to the real world.
One of the most important things in my day-to-day job is getting reliable data. When I receive the programs from the programmers, I know it's been validated. I know there's not going to be any collisions or it's not going to over-travel, and I can breathe easy while running these parts.
Siemens software helps us innovate and provide a better value for our customers, and really provides a structural way of taking the complex world that we deal with from a contract manufacturing standpoint and makes it easy and simple to provide a solution for our customers.